Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the border color on your Microsoft Excel app on your mobile version. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to change the border color on your Microsoft Excel mobile, I'm just going to show in this video. So first, we're just going to create a border first. So clicking on this and just create a border here. So it have a different style of line here. Okay, so now I just need to change the border color. So it's just scroll down, you will see option called line color. Click on this. So here choose any color. For an example, I just choose violet. Then click on the border again. You can see it's created. The same process. For an example, I just need to change this border color to yellow color. So yellow or green, something like that. I just choose green color. Now click on the border. So you can see this change to green. And here I just going to change to another style color. Click on the line color and just going to change this to orange. Okay, now just click on this. You can see this is how we just change the border color on your Microsoft Excel on your mobile phone. So here you can just choose the colors and you can just change it to apply to any border. Just click on the apply border option. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.